Hey everyone, today I have for you guys my March Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to be testing out all of the products that I got in my box this month. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we got this month are these South Main Gel Eye Patches. It says that they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. The directions say to thoroughly cleanse eye area, apply this product under the eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results, use for 3 consecutive days. So here is what the packaging looks like. It comes with 3 of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna be very careful because last time I got a product like this, it spilled everywhere. So they just come in like a little tray like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these. They feel very cooling on the skin. So my under eyes definitely feel a lot more moisturized. I can't really tell as far as puffiness and dark circles. It does say that you have to use them for 3 consecutive days to see the results. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup so we can try out the next product that I got in my box. Okay, so I went ahead and did all of the makeup that I can do based on what I got in my box. So the next product that I got in my box, I'm super excited about, and it's from the brand Pretty Vulgar, which we've actually gotten before. I think I got a liquid lipstick from this brand in my Boxycharm before, and it is a blush. This is in the shade number 18, Hush Blush. The packaging of this is so pretty, and this shade is like perfect for me. It is just like a nice like neutral blush shade, which I feel like is really nice for every day. I was kind of worried because I saw other people do their Boxycharm unboxings and they got like a super like hot pink blush, but I got a more wearable shade, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna apply it with my Morphe R4 brush. That's really pretty. Alright, so the next thing that I got in my box I'm also super excited about, and it's an eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Pure Cosmetic. So basically Boxycharm and Pure did like a little collaboration palette. It just comes in this white packaging. I like all the silver details on it. I think it's super pretty. So here are all the shades that come in this palette. This is like perfect for the spring and summer. It has like a nice warm tone shades, then you have your pinks, and then it has like these fun colors over here like this blue and green. So I'm first gonna go in with the shade Naked, and I'm just gonna be applying this all throughout my crease with my Morphe E27 brush. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit smaller of a blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Belle, and I'm going to put this like directly into my crease. The pigmentation of these is really good, and there's actually not a lot of fallout on my face at all. They're blending out really easily as well. So now I'm going to pick up the shade BFF with that same brush, and I'm first going to put this on my outer corner and then kind of blend it into my crease. So I'm just gonna pause the eyeshadow right there because the next thing we got in the box is a brush set. This is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it is their Smoky Eye brush set. So the packaging is super cute. It's a little bit like old school looking to me though. Okay, so it comes with 3 brushes. Here are what they look like. So the first brush is like a flat shader brush, and then we also got an angled like fluffier brush, and then the last one we got is a smudging brush, which is like probably the one I'm the most excited for because I use these kind of brushes all the time. So I think I'm gonna first use the fluffy angled brush, and I'm gonna pick up the shade Duet, and I'm going to use this to deepen up my outer corner. So now I'm going to use the flat shader brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Charmer, and I'm first going to spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus just so it's a little bit wet, and I'm going to put this shade on the inner half of my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the shade ATL, and I'm going to put this on the outer half of my lid. So now I'm going to quickly fill in my lower lash line. I'm going to be using the small smudger brush. And I'm going to pick up the shade Nakey and just blend this all underneath my lower lash line. And then with a flat definer brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Duet and press this right up against my lower lash line. Alright, so the last thing that I got in my box this month is a mascara, and this is from the brand Butter London. It is their Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I feel like the mascara really did make my lashes look a lot more curled upwards, and I have very straight eyelashes and my lashes actually do look pretty separated, so I'm actually really impressed with this. So they did put a coupon in our box for Butter London, and it says that you get 25% off your next $50 purchase on the Butter London website. So those are all of the products that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of March. I'm super impressed with everything that we got. I feel like it was another really good month. Now I'm going to kind of go through and tell you guys all of the prices of each of the products. So the Pure Eyeshadow palette is $36. The Butter London mascara is $20. The gel eye patches were $10. The brush set was $23.15. The Pretty Vulgar blush retails for $26, so that's a pretty expensive blush. So yeah, overall I feel like this month's box was really good again. The total value of the box was $115.15. Once again, a Boxycharm definitely did not disappoint. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month. Sometimes there are different variations of the box, so I would love to hear what you got. As always, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out my description box below. I will have links to all of the products that I mentioned in my video listed there, and I also have links to my other social media accounts like my Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to follow me on those as well. And don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.